All right, Killian.
I can see it.
Are you ready to see it?
We're gonna see it. Uh-huh. 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 Ah! What is that?
Is that your truck?
Yeah.
Is it big enough for you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Kai, don't break the handle off.
Yeah, Callie, don't break the handle off.
Yeah,
There it
you
is.
don't break the handle off.
Are you gonna drive it?
Yeah.
There it is, the Silverado. Not a mini truck, but my son didn't show it too much on camera. I don't know, the camera was just a little out of his sorts, but he really liked the truck. And I had a video of him getting in the truck and actually putting the key in and starting it, and I shut the door and said, all right, take her for a spin. But reading the YouTube rules, I'm pretty sure they'll flag the video for that, for putting the children in danger. So I didn't put that in the video. Of course I wasn't gonna let him drive it. But anyway, there it is. Like I said, it's a rough country 7.5-inch lift. The wheels are 24 by 12 Offroad Monster. I think they're, hold on. They're the Offroad Monster M07s, 24 by 12s, with kind of a real cheap tire. I think it was the cheaper tire on custom offsets. They are 37 by 13.5 24s. I really like them. So down the road, I'll probably get better tires. You know, once I recoup from spending all the money on the truck already. The truck does need painted. Like I said, it was a construction truck, so on the job site at one time, you know, the truck got ran through concrete like a washout, so it's got spray on the side, so I pretty well need to sand the whole side down. I think I'm just gonna paint the whole truck. It needs rocker repair on it. The rockers are rusted out. The bed sides are getting a little bubbled, so I want to do that. I gotta figure out what kind of flare I want to do. If anybody knows of any like plastic, fiberglass, whatever flares that don't have the rivet holes in them, because I hate that look. I want something smooth. something that's, you know, not gaudy, not crazy, but like something good enough that I'm not going to get hassled for having tires stick out past the fenders. I did think about maybe flaring them in the metal itself, kind of doing like a molded flare, but that's real finicky on getting that to look right. So I don't know if I want to do that yet. As far as the whole other truck, or as far as everything else, the lights and stuff, I want to change them up. I want to paint match the front bumper and the grille. The back bumper, I don't know if if I keep the back bumper, I'm going to paint match it. If I don't keep the back bumper, I want to do a roll pan on it from Grant Customs, because then it can all be molded together. Like I said, this isn't an off-road truck that's going to be real big bumpers, and I want it clean. I want it to be a 4x4, lifted truck with a little bit of my mini trucking styling in there. So if anybody can imagine that, that's what I want to go with. But that's what it is. This week, I'm going to get started back on the S10. I will be filming that. That's a spider. I'm going to get I have most of the wiring good on it. I just got to go through and wrap it with the braided stuff that I got. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have more videos on the Silverado as I progress on it, but my main goal is to get back mini trucking again and back on the Suburban. So you're gonna want to see that. Let me know what you think. Battery died. Let me know what you think and comment below. Don't forget to check out more videos. And have a good night.